Hi friends, I thought I would vlog a little bit this week. I say this week, it's literally Friday. My hair was so tangly. I have so much recycling outside. I'm like scared that they're not gonna take it all. Oh, they're taking it. Okay, good. I feel bad. But you know what? Better for the environment to recycle it than throw in the garbage. It's just so much. Anywho, today's an exciting day and I wanted to vlog because I am getting an order. Been waiting so long for this. Let me just set my camera up. Yeah, I've been waiting so long for this. I ordered the West Elm mirror. I'm sure you guys know which West Elm mirror I'm referring to. They had like an amazing sale on where it was like half price. It was supposed to take 15 days to get here. It's taken 3 months. I have like spoken with West Elm, like been like how upset I am about this like 3-month time period, and they said that they're gonna like refund some of my shipping. I hope that they do. Anyways, that's coming today, so super excited to like show you guys that, and that's why I'm vlogging today. The sun is going crazy, so they're gonna be here in like 30 minutes, so that's where we're gonna start the vlog off.
Teardrops start to dry.
That's why we're running.
When the sun begins to shine. Taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped.
She's here, the mirror is here. I'm flipping excited. We need to unbox this like now. I feel like with mirrors, I'm just like constantly scared like it's gonna be broken.
I'm so tired of songs like never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche.
Okay, y'all, West Elm furniture, no joke. This thing is such freaking amazing quality. I can't believe it. It's very heavy. I don't know why I wasn't expecting that, but I wasn't. And it has like this clip thing on the back. I think it's called like a Z clip, but basically it comes with another one of those so they can like hook together if you were to like hang it on the wall. She's a beaut. Okay, let me show you in the bedroom where I want to put this mirror. So this is my bedroom, and this wall I'm thinking the mirror could go on because this window like gives lots of light in this little area. The problem is this is the last spot in the whole house that I have not done the baseboards. So this is probably the worst spot right here of the baseboard where it just has stain on it that I need to sand off. It's not like that throughout the whole thing. Like, so the baseboard's not horrible everywhere. I need to repaint this vent also, but it's not gorgeous. I want to get a new vent for there too. So I have to caulk this ledge. I need to sand off any of the stain that's like that because it's a little bit raised. I don't want to just paint over it. And then I need to paint all the baseboard, and I want to do that before I put the mirror in here because the mirror is going to go here and block the baseboard. I also need to replace this, which is quite black. Anyways, yeah, so that's I think what we're going to do first before we bring the mirror in here. Good morning. I promised myself that I was not going to put off the baseboards in the bedroom any longer. So it's Saturday and we're finally gonna get them done. I'm tired, but I said I was gonna get it done, so we're gonna get it done. Okay, okay. I just put a load of laundry in. I'm gonna have breakfast. I also wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Care Of. I'm so thankful to work consistently with them as a brand because I am going on month 7 of taking Care Of vitamins, so it really gives me like a good time period to give you guys like a review on like what works for me and that kind of thing. Care Of is super easy to navigate. They have an online quiz where, you know, they ask me all about my diet and like wellness goals. It's like getting a one-on-one consult with a nutritionist. Care Of supports women throughout all different seasons of life, so you can retake the quiz at any time. You know, if your needs change, such as, you know, there's a pregnancy. I made sure to mention that I was specifically concerned about my stress levels. They are very transparent about all of the research behind what they're recommending you to take. So at the end of the day, you still have the final say in which vitamins you take, but it really helps me have a lot more trust in them when they're saying, okay, here's what you should take and here's why. Here is my new order made for Tasha. So this is for March. I did change up a couple things with my March order. Normally I was getting the iron, the vegan D, and the veggie omega, but I wanted to add in vitamin B12. So these little packs are made with eco-friendly compostable film, so I can just throw these into the compost, which is really great for our environment. As always, I have such an amazing discount code for you guys. It's 50% off your first order. So you just use the code TASHA50 at checkout, 50% off your first order. It just helps you kind of stay on track because I know I kind of need that extra push as well. So I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'll meet you guys upstairs and we will do these baseboards. Last room in the house. I'm not gonna give you guys a full caulking lesson because I don't have like a brand new tube, but I'm just using some DAP and that's how we're gonna fill in like these cracks. I'm going to apply it all along this seam, and then as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna hit this, which is going to release it. If you weren't to do that, all the caulking would probably still come out. Okay, and then I hit the end and you'll see the caulking sort of stopped. Then I like to keep a wet rag. You could also just like, sounds gross, but lick your finger. You want your finger to be wet basically. And then you're gonna press along the caulking. Press it. I feel like I didn't pick the best area to show you, but normally like this isn't, you don't need like so much. This was like a really weird crack. I'm also what you might call a perfectionist, so that doesn't help. Also gonna put some caulking in this corner and done. So that I can paint over it. But yeah, this is stain and it's kind of bubbled out. Like it's definitely a different thickness than the paint. So I'm just gonna give this like a quick sand. I also just keep like touching it to see if it's smooth. Like I close my eyes and be like, oh, is it smooth? Is it not smooth? Over in this corner, I'm gonna have to use my hand on a bit of this. Yep. It's like, do they, like, are we the only ones with brains? Should we run the country?
So many people are saying it, Tash. It's just...
I get it's not an easy job. Like, I totally get it. Like,
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time.
okay, so here is the mirror in its spot. You know, I don't know if I'm loving this here. I kind of feel like this mirror is better suited for the closet. As like a get ready type mirror. I sort of want to redo a few things that are in there, so I kind of want to just do like a closet, what would you call that, a closet update kind of video. I'm feeling like this would just look better in there. Don't mind this big hole I took off that vent to paint it. Yeah, I just don't know. I don't know, but at least it has a home for now. I want to rewind to Thursday, and I have a ton of footage of me doing a shelf for the downstairs entryway, so rewind to then. So here's what's up. I found this at HomeSense quite a while ago before we went into this lockdown, and it's very similar to that of the Urban Outfitters one. It has this design in it, which I'm just not crazy about. I know a lot of you guys will be like, it's so nice. And it is, it's cute. It's just not me, you know, it's not my style. So I just wanted to put a white back on this, and it has like these amazing little hooks on the bottom. So that's what we're gonna work on today. It's kind of chilly in here. So what I'm doing to start is I'm just taking some paper and I'm just outlining the general shape. Then I'm gonna put this inside and basically try to use it as a guide to cut out the exact shape. Then I'm just gonna try my hardest to cut out the rest of this thing. These ones are really hard to get with the X-Acto knife, so I've just taken my pencil and like gone like this so I can cut it afterwards. It's obviously not exact, but I have a way of fixing anything that isn't exact. Okay, then I have this board. It's not very thick, it's just this like thin sort of bendy board. And I'm gonna trace this onto here. I think I actually might use this edge as like the clean edge. I'm still gonna have to like fill some gaps and stuff, but it's not really a big deal. I think I'm gonna do it a little bit smaller or else it's not gonna fit into it. And the saw I'm gonna use for this is a jigsaw. So I had to cut it quite a bit bigger than what I had originally done. So each hole is quite a bit bigger. Kind of knew that was gonna happen, but what can you do? Okay, it fit. There's a couple things we have to do now. We have to glue this in, first of all. So I'm just gonna use this. It's just wood carpenter's glue. Pressing down basically wherever there's glue. So that's essentially it for tonight, and then we're gonna come back and do a couple more things to this tomorrow to make it look better. Hey guys, it's dry. And now I'm just taking some DAP, just putting it in the seam and just going along with my finger. This is looking good. So I'm just gonna keep going ahead and caulking along that. I'm thinking about giving it a coat of paint, but I don't know, it looks like pretty okay. I don't know if it necessarily needs it.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone.
Okay, here is the shelf. Right now, I just have my purse on it. Yeah, we're missing a light switch cover. Yes. I have Hotch and Girly's harnesses, and then I have Oaks's collar, and all the leashes are in this. This is a little bag from IKEA, if you're wondering. Super cute, super handy. I used to have like little masks in it. Masks. How do you say plural of mask? Yeah, and then Michael puts his keys and like wallet and stuff up here when he comes home, so it's like perfect for that. But this looks really cute. I'm very happy with this. I haven't really styled it. I want to put like something here. I just don't know what yet. But it's nice to have like something up, something functional in this like little tiny corner entryway. That's gonna be it for today's vlog, guys. That's it. Those are the house updates. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye, guys.